So I'm with Lynn, and we are in Surrey, and we've just been able to do the finish on this property, which was Pebbledash before. Now, what colour was Pebbledash before?
It was just stone really and cement.
Yeah, sort of grey beige kind of
colour,
that sort of
yeah.
cementy colour.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And what was it that attracted you to the propeller coating, to have a wall coating that's weatherproof?
Well, two reasons. One, we do get a lot of damp on this wall inside.
Yeah.
So one, it was for its properties in terms of keeping water out and
Yes.
hopefully reducing the condensation inside.
Yeah.
And also, to lift actually the colour of the house and lift the house altogether, which indeed it's done.
That's
really
fantastic.
good.
Brilliant. And just for the record, you said that the team were really helpful.
Gosh,
how did
yes.
the project actually go?
Very well, very smoothly, and they were always checking the whole time, were we happy, was there anything else that needed doing. They were brilliant.
That's
right
wonderful.
the way through, and doing this window.
The window at the top as well. Yes, they've replaced the window as well.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So the whole
Really
house
good.
has been done, front, back and sides.
Absolutely.
That's
Yes.
wonderful. To your 100% satisfaction?
Absolutely.
Okay.
And they were happy to also to make a change to the front where I wanted the bottom kept clear,
Yeah.
rather than in the plain propeller rather than the
Yeah.
coloured one. And it's come out really well.
And you're
I'm
happy
pleased.
with the colour?
Very much so.
It looks
much
very
so.
bright. It's lifted
Does.
it. It's now the
Has.
smartest house in the street,
One hopes so.
which is great.
Indeed.
So would you recommend this another time
Definitely.
to somebody else? Yeah.
Definitely, yes.
That's wonderful. Okay,
Yeah.
well, thank you very much. And
You're
we're
very
delighted
welcome.
that you're happy, because that's the end result that we're
Okay,
looking for.
good.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.